Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you why I might need a new card. Number one, it might be broken. Now, some questions. Speaking of which, when you change questions like a new card, a new toy, or a new skeleton, they'll think when I said that it's because I'm a big fan of skeleton. It's not much of that for watching YouTube or Simon Super Rapid because I'm already done with that for at least 75%. So, I'm going to enter to CVS and look for a new card. Since the last one I had was broken. So, I'm going to find the card aisles. And besides, this is a new store. I've never shown you this store before. Now, some of you went to this store before, but I haven't. And this might be the first time I have ever visited this store. So first, I'm going to find the aisle with the cards. Finally, once upon a time, I knew that at first, further away from the elite days, knew that cards aren't wanting. Now, some of you know that a gift card is something which you pay for some stuff, some out of stuff, and then it'll come out to your app. But cards like these do not work for apps. Now, speaking of which, these are birthday cards. If you ever had one, you should give it to someone who has a birthday. And besides, spinning isn't wanting, but spinners are somehow changed. No, over the past 70 days. Number two, you might look for some card, or there's no detective card in it here. And you might know that's a problem because I'm a big detective on my channel. But other channels do not have detectives, and I'm somehow big of a requestment. And besides, there's no requestments in this tour. Now you might know that there's no detective cards in the store because, number one, you might know a birthday is something good, but there's no singing cards. Now last time I knew that there was a singing card and it really worked, but the last time it worked was only presenting this matter. And besides, it's taking a long time to look for a detective card. Speaking of which, non-detective cards do not work for apps, and they probably deal with either two video games, Roblox, and Fortnite. No. The game I really play more is Roblox because, speaking of which, all those detective short videos that have music like the Huggy Wuggy videos, yeah. But they're usually somehow called Poppy PHM for the logo. So yeah, those are the videos that I always upped on these days. And besides, the new one is something that detective cards are hard to learn. Number one, the last CVS I went had a detective card. Well, this one has no detective cards. And besides, the last detective card I had was broken. Now, reminders. If there's no detective card, there'll be something else that I'll like. And finally, it's here. The land of cars. Now, speaking of which, some of these cars aren't radar powered. They're meant to look nonsense. Or probably people say that's sense, but I give it that's nonsense. Another thing is sparks, but I won't buy it because I'm not a kid. Notebooks. They're very important. They're for working or stuff like college things. Those are work notebooks. I already have notebooks, and I use them for working at my hotel. or my replacement is I really work with them on my ceiling fan compilation. Besides, there's a camera up there. Yeah, that's me, that's me. So sorry. Bullet lights are something here or here, but I don't like bullet lights because they're probably disgusting for me. And people don't, and kids cannot drink it because it's disgusting. And you can, might have to spend a night in hospital and drink this kind of taste. So yeah. And you don't want to drink that because it's disgusting. And besides, it's not good for your belly. You can probably get it on bad allergy. You have to spend the night in the hospital. And I don't want that because you can probably get 5 shots for the least of that. Eat that for a lot of time. The next thing. There's some of the candy that I saw in a candy video on YouTube. But the most recent candy are dots. That's really cute in them. The next recent candy is Mike and Ike original fruits. So that must do on it because speaking of which, Trolley is also there. But there's some other fruits which I don't know that's in there. So I might have to figure out that. So forget about the question. Some candies that are here are not represented in the video. Speaking of which, these candies aren't real enough. They're made out of plastic. So yeah, plastic is like other stuff. Now, the freezer. The freezer includes stuff like ice cream. So yeah, ice cream are yummy. But you can't eat because winter has come out and Santa Claus is coming to town. And you better be good because Santa will give you sharp or chili pepper if you don't be safe. Now, the Lunchable section. This is the only Lunchable. Sorry, those are the only Lunchables they have. And besides, there's no need. Goldfish and other snacks are recommended to be for something that's hotter snacks. Well, goldfish is crackers and Cheez-Its and other things are crackers too. But you don't want to eat too many because you can get a stomach. And remember to wash your hands before eating those things because you can get sick. Next, the teeth section. Now, these are soft and cuddly. But remember, some of them might be hard and you don't like them. And besides, cards aren't hard. They can probably break if you cut, you snip them, you cut them. That could probably make them break. But besides, sunglasses, they help you see better. And now, one of the most better sunglasses are these Edicos. I call them Edicos because they're funny. And then, I'm gonna take a look. Ouch. Hurting me. I don't know how to word Eddie goes.
I have a card.
It's gonna cool dry. Now I'm gonna keep the ID cards for this time because limit the ban. I knew that this place is not a dump because if places are a dump like therapy, then I'll probably get out. Now, the next thing, the minute clinic. The minute clinic is the area I went before because you don't want to get this sick because this minute clinic has sun, moon, sunset, moon, and besides, there's not humans coming, not a human waiting for the vaccine. And then the drop off, the area that they give you some kind of medicine or other helping getting better. Now, I must heard that there was a voice. Let me go check where it was. Not in this. It might be coming out from the area I went to.
John, up front, please.
Ow! I'm sorry. It's not a good place to put it. We're recommending for that thing, and besides, I checked again for stuff like cards, but they aren't here. And that really disappoints me. That there's no card that's here. And that could probably make myself angry, or no detective card. And this is the worst tour I've seen in my life. Except for Autograph Future. Continue watching this video. Hope you like it. Goodbye.